Okay, so here it is. I've been waiting a long time to get this router. It's the newer ASUS router. I believe it's the 7G router. I did purchase a used. Obviously that's why you can see it's been taped up quite a bit. But I'm going to do my first unboxing here with this. And the only reason why I'm doing it is because I did buy it used. And I just want to make sure that, see what it is. So I'll give it a nice unwrapping here. And it's definitely been taped up a little bit. I'm excited to get this because I've just been waiting for so long. There's the router. Got a couple things in here. Got your booklets, warranty card. I'm not seeing a power supply over in the box. I do have the network cable. Maybe the power supply just doesn't come with the used items. I'm not really too sure. I have to look at the listing. This shows antennas on it here. I'm not showing any antennas on the router. Not showing them in the box. Starting to get a little bit worried here. Actually, this router does not look anything compared to what I purchased. It says ROG and has a symbol. I have the symbol here, but I don't have the ROG and I don't have the antennas. It shows 4 ports, LAN ports here in the back. And the lights. This has 8 in the back with no antennas. I'm starting to have a little suspicion that maybe I received the wrong item here, because that does not look anything like that. GT-BE98 Pro. Is there a sticker on it somewhere? Oh. I can't read it. My eyes are bad. I don't even know what it says. I guess I'm going to have to look on my order online, maybe contact Amazon, because this is not this at all. Not even close to it. I'm guessing somebody may have returned the wrong item to Amazon and they slipped through the cracks, because obviously it fits in the box and everything, but it's not the right one. I guess I'm not too happy right now. Over $500 for a used item, and it is not a correct item at all. Alright, well, that's my unboxing anyway.